Do you often use ChatGPT or other AI tools to help you write things? Like when you are stuck with a tricky essay or a complicated email. It's true, AI can make writing faster and easier. But did you know if you rely on it too much, your brain might quietly get lazier over time? A recent study looked into this. It asked, what really happens to our brain when we let AI do the writing? Researchers took 54 university students and split them into 3 groups. One group could only use ChatGPT, AI group. One group could only use search engines like Google, search group. The last group had to write on their own with no tools, brain group. They tracked the brain activity, analyzed what the students wrote, and asked them how they feel afterward. In the first writing task, 83% of the students in AI group couldn't remember or properly explain what they had just written. But in the other 2 groups, only 11% had this problem. That means when AI does the writing for us, we don't really process or remember the content. Many students who used the AI said their writing didn't feel like their own. Over half of them didn't feel connected to what they wrote. But for those who wrote using only their brain or search engine, over 90% felt proud, like I really wrote this. The brain scans showed something else too. Students who wrote without help had more brain activity in areas linked to memory and thinking. The ones who used the AI, their brains were much less active in those areas. They were mostly just tweaking AI's suggestions. And after just a few sessions with AI, those students got worse at writing on their own. Their memory and language skills dropped, and they struggled when asked to write without help. On the flip side, when students who had written by themselves tried using AI for the first time, their brain actually became more active, as if they were working hard to make sense of the AI ideas. The researchers called this effect the cognitive depth, meaning even though AI helps in the short term, over time it may weaken your ability to think deeply, remember things, and learn. The point of the study isn't to say don't use AI, it's more about using it wisely. It's okay to use AI now and then to get ideas or save time, but it's just as important to practice writing on your own. That's how you keep your brain sharp. So next time you use ChatGPT, take a second and ask yourself, am I using it as a helper or just letting my brain take a nap?